un pasito para atrás. Dos, tres, un pasito para adelante, María. Dos, tres, un pasito para atrás.
Isang malakas na palakpakan. Paano nga ang malakas na palakpakan? Ay, hindi mo narinig. Isa pa! Isang malakas na palakpakan. Alright, one of the parents really to see the wedding date of their children. At alam ko, yung mga magulang, they're both equally excited as our newlywed. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to present to you, pinangungunahan, the parents of our newlyweds, of course, the parents of the groom. Isang malakas na palakpakan for Mr. Raymond Abal and Mrs. Abal.
Yay! Galing!
And next to that, we have the guardian of the bride. Please welcome Mr. Narciso Soriano and Mrs. Lucila Capisi. How about mo yung ating very gracious po na principal sponsors? Let's all welcome Mr. Enrique Manisip and Miss Amelia Guzman. Next on the line we have Mr. Mario Soriano and Mrs. Marlene Bautista. Next on the line we have Mr. Reynaldo Pineda and Mrs. Loretta Anastacion. We also have Mr. Michael Pibilet and Mrs. Amelia Soriano. We also have Nina Rosalinda Garcia. And last but not least, let's welcome Nina Mamilu Yubun. Ayan, talaga sila Nina. We witness our gracious principal sponsors. Let's move forward to our secondary sponsors. Yung mga iwawan, magaganda natin mga kabay. Let's all welcome our best man, Mr. Ramon Abal Jr. and Maid of Honor, Mrs. Nancy Torno. Sige, tignan mo yung tatanong kay sir. Next, we have our head of sponsor, Mr. Ray Miss Pauline Ann Soriano, Mr. Diet Marie Halver, Miss Angel Layo. Palakpakan po natin silang lahat. And Mr. Ray Ezekiel Meñano and Miss Kate Caroline Aban. Together with our little group, Arlo Asia de los Reyes and little bride, Lindsay Justin Aban. Isang mga sabalas-sabalas po sa kanilang lahat!
Yay!
Sharing your life of others, life begin to find its meaning. The moment you touch the life of others, you truly start living. Yes, this is already a celebration of life, love, and commitment for Red and Leah. Let's watch this.
Ayan guys, kain na. Dito sa Casa Mangga.
Thank you so much, sir. Sana sa binyag nandun din kami. Sige, ngayon naman, syempre, kapusog kayo. Our newlywed, our couple, they want to share.
Ang ganda ng mga lights. Ayan, swimming pool. Oh, ang ganda oh. Ang ganda ng view. Dito tayo sa Casa Mangga Resorts. Mayroon wedding reception, wedding may ang ganda oh. Ang ganda ng view. Ang ganda oh. Casa Mangga. Thank you for watching. Bye guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Conchita 11 Vlogs. Bye bye and God bless.